Hey guys, Tony here. How you doing? I'm actually very surprised that futures are actually green all around. So the US Tech 100, the 500, the US 30, and the small cap 2000, which is basically the Russell, right? So the small cap 2000 is the Russell, the US Tech 100 is the Nasdaq, the US 500 is the S&P 500, and the US 30 is just the top 30 companies, right? But it does look like everything is pretty green all around. Like 20, you have the 0.25%, 0.10, 0.25, 0.29. They're pretty good moves to the upside. I'm not saying we're recovering fully, but it's not a bad day at all. And you have a full green screen all around for futures. So, we'll see how the actual stock market reacts tomorrow. It doesn't really mean that there's going to be a lot of indication that that the whole stock market as a whole is going to be green. But we'll see what happens tomorrow, right? We're trying to we're trying to see where momentum is at, and the S&P 500 has been trading down for the last couple of days or so. But we'll see. I'm just very surprised that futures are green. So we'll see how the market takes that in tomorrow. I'll see you guys later. Bye.